the camera, don't be shy.
Here we are at Summer Nats number 20. Let's have a look at some of the action on the cruise route at Australia's greatest show.
Well, the future's unpredictable. Show us the way. Who knows?
Saturday sees the main judging arena filled to the brim with all the quality cars entered for the judging in the street classes. The quality can range from vehicles bordering on elite right through to more basic cruisers lowered with wheels, tints and some custom detailing. Down on the burnout pad, the go-to-woe competition broke up a seemingly endless parade of entrants in the crowd favourite burnout event. While it was another year where Commodores did very little to impress the judges, there are a few highlights of note, including Joe Pagano's awesome second place in his red X-Feature ute, Brendan's inspiring efforts in his newly rebuilt X-Piggy, and X-Feature car owner Dave Ellum in his Pearl White Turbo V6 VN, who came in outright second place in the go-to-woe.
Alright, we're down here with Martin, an avid reader of our magazine and a friend of the ugly guy behind the camera. No, I'm not pointing at you at home.
The other guy? Yeah.
He happens to actually own a VUSS that recently ran 11.6. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's just cam only, full weight, street tyres, just a bit of a tune, bit of a play, and yeah, quick car.
You drove it down to the Nats too, yeah?
Yeah, 500 k's, I've driven it. Doesn't miss a beat.
No problem, cool. Let's check out what Sonax can do for you.